So we got a little bit of TX2K prep and Texas Mile prep all going on at once. We don't have a wheel and tire machine here in house, but we install very expensive wheels here at the shop, and I don't just trust anybody, any discount tire, no offense, just putting wheels and tires on these high dollar wheels. But we got a set of Forge Line wheels, I think 2 sets of Forge Lines, getting wheels put on them, as well as some Forge Stars. One's for V3, I think going to Texas Mile, and then we have a couple of C7 Z06s getting ready to play for TX2K this weekend. So what a beadlock does back in the day, before beadlocks, before I could afford beadlocks, in high school when I had a 15-inch wheel on my car with a slick on it, you go to the street or the track, you launch the car, the wheel will spin inside the tire. So I used to put rim screws in my wheels to keep the tire from spinning. Well, now we can afford beadlocks, so the beadlocks actually hold the wheel, the tire, I'm sorry, from spinning when you launch the car, or even low roll racing. Believe it or not, I've seen tires spin, or the wheel spin inside the tire. So beadlocks are obviously locking the tire onto the wheel. It's a must for any high horsepower car when it comes to drag racing and roll racing. So as you can see, these wheels are super clean. Beadlocks are different than normal wheels. So you can see, taking out the outer ring right now, these are called single beadlocks, where it's just the outside is a beadlock, the inside beads just as a normal wheel would. So very careful taking them on and off. And then the cheaper the wheel, the easier it is, the more you replace your tires, taking the beadlocks on and off, the easier it is for the wheel to get messed up. And there's just a process when you go to put the beadlock back on. Obviously you do a star pattern as you would, little by little tightening it up to put the wheel on the tire. So if you are thinking about changing out your wheel and tire setup while we're here doing the performance package, like we do a lot of times, guys, just hit us up, talk to our sales staff. We can take care of all your needs for you. If you already have bought your wheels and tires, you can ship it with your vehicle to have them installed here. That way you know that they're installed properly and with no scratches on them.